Want to boost your immune system without any fancy pills? Let's unlock the power of your kitchen herbs. From ginger's fiery kick to garlic's immune boost, these everyday plants are packed with natural magic. Stick around to learn how to turn your pantry into a wellness powerhouse. No doctor's note required. 1. Ginger. Benefits. Ginger is not only great for warming up your body, but it's also a powerful shield for your immune system. It helps reduce inflammation, prevent colds, and boosts immunity thanks to its active compound, gingerol, which has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. How to use. You can drink ginger tea every morning or add fresh ginger to your meals to take full advantage of its benefits. A hot cup of ginger tea in the morning will help keep you awake and healthy all day. Dosage. Typically, you can use about 1 to 2 centimeters of fresh ginger per day. For ginger tea, use 1 to 2 slices of fresh ginger with 250 pounds to 300 ml of water. If using ginger powder, about 1/4 teaspoon of ginger powder is enough for each cup of tea. Precautions. Avoid using too much ginger if you have stomach issues, as it may cause irritation. If you have heart disease or low blood pressure, it's best to consult with your doctor before using ginger regularly. 2. Garlic. Benefits. Garlic is known as a superfood with excellent antibacterial, antiviral, and immune-boosting properties. It also helps lower cholesterol and supports heart health. How to use. You can eat raw garlic every day, or cook it in dishes like stir-fries or roasted meals. A couple of raw garlic cloves in the morning is one of the easiest and most effective ways to consume it. Dosage. To boost immunity, you can eat 1 to 2 cloves of raw garlic each day. If consuming raw garlic, you can crush it and eat it with honey or add it to a salad. For cooked garlic, you can use about 3 to 4 cloves per day. Precautions. Garlic may cause bad breath, so if you don't like the smell, you can use cooked garlic instead. Also, be cautious not to overeat garlic, especially if you have digestive issues or low blood pressure. 3. Turmeric. Benefits. Turmeric is famous for its active compound curcumin, which offers numerous benefits like reducing inflammation, alleviating pain, and protecting the liver. It's also a strong antioxidant that helps strengthen your immune system. How to use. You can drink turmeric milk before bed or add turmeric powder to dishes like soups or curries to fully enjoy its benefits. Dosage. To make the most of turmeric's benefits, you can use 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder daily. If making turmeric milk, mix only 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder with 1 cup of milk or plant-based milk and drink it in the evening. Precautions. Turmeric may stain your teeth, so make sure to brush your teeth afterward. Also, if you have digestive issues, be cautious and don't overuse it. These are 3 fantastic herbs that help boost your immune system naturally. Be sure to add them to your daily routine to protect your health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great videos. See you in the next one.